hi, thanks for coming. Stephen Sayers from Future Lab. In your speech you said that you're not technology evangelists. Is that just British understatement, or can you explain a little bit more about that?
No, I think the message behind that is really that we try to evaluate from an objective perspective the real uses of technology in education. There's a lot of hype about technology in education, whether it's games and how they might be used or not. A lot of hype that really is perhaps overemphasising the values that you can, the changes you can make with just technology.
Mm-hmm.
I think one of the points we were trying to make was that technology itself isn't some sort of magic pixie dust you can sprinkle into a classroom and expect transformation to happen. You've got to start at the real roots of what are you trying to teach, how are you trying to teach it, and start there rather than think that just putting a computer in a classroom is going to make a difference.
Mm-hmm. And is that why you're saying it's important to combine places of learning with the places of practice? Is that linked to that?
That was a slightly different point. That was
Okay.
an answer to a question that was looking at keeping technology relevant and particularly keeping up to date with technologies in a vocational educational kind of setting.
Mm-hmm.
And that was really, I suppose, takes the model of a teaching hospital. You've seen ER. It's people learning from people who are actually doing the job. And so if you can bring together the people who are actually now practicing with people who are learning the trade, it's not only inspirational, but in terms of the technologies that they're using, you get an insight into what's really relevant, what's really useful. So that was the point I was trying to bring across there.
Okay, and just lastly, we're talking about getting into the field and digital learning for students and lifelong learning. How did you yourself get into the industry and get into Future Labs?
Okay, that's a bit of a convoluted path. I started out as a research chemist. I moved from that into looking at science communication. So how do you translate your hardcore science into something that anybody can understand? So I worked in the science communication field for a while and moved really from that into more business development and the kind of fundraising and that kind of business side of things. And then came to Future Lab in a fairly external relations kind of role and have moved more into an operations capacity.
So it shows
still retaining that interest in how do people learn, I suppose, and what do you learn and how do you make things interesting and engaging, difficult things interesting and engaging.
So you combined all those different fields, and that maybe gives you more an original perspective on things? Or?
I hope so.
Yeah? Okay, thanks very much.
You're very welcome.